Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we're looking at the Gauteng Department of Education preliminary exam. We are having a look at the third question in paper 1. Please pause this video and attempt it yourself before marking it together. Also, make sure that you have gone over the sequences and series before you attempt these past paper questions. So let us have a look. So we have the first three terms of an infinite geometric sequence are 16, 8, and 4 respectively. You need to determine all the possible values for the sum where the first n terms are greater than 31. Okay, so the pattern is 16, 8, and 4, and we have to determine all possible values for the sum of the first n term, so Sn, is greater than 31. So we want to solve where it is greater than 31. So having a look at this, this is a geometric sequence. So we're going to use the geometric series formula, which is A times 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. We're solving for where it is greater than 31. A is our first term, so it is 16. 1 minus our R is T2 minus divided by T3, so it's 8 divided by 16, which is a half, or you could do any one. So our R is a half to the power of n, all over, sorry, the denominator should just be 1 over R. We get this from our formula sheet, so there's no need to remember the formula. So this here is 16 times 1 minus a half to the power of n, all over a half, which is greater than 31. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to get the n is by the half. Okay, so we want to get the half n by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides by half to get rid of the denominator. So we have 16 minus a half n, the power of n is greater than 15.5, and then what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 16. So we have 1 minus a half n is greater than 31 over 32. Then we're going to subtract 1 on each side, so we have minus a half n is greater than minus 1 over 32. I'm going to divide both by a half, so then the sign flips. So a half to the power of n is 1 over 32. And then I'm going to make the bases the same. So this I can write as 2 to the power of n, and 32 I can write as 1 over 32 is 1 over, 2 to the power of minus 5. So this here is then minus n is greater than minus n is less than minus 5, and once again I'm dividing by a negative and I am swapping directions. So we have that n is greater than 5. That's when the sum will be greater or equal to 31. Then it says calculate the sum to infinity. So the sum to infinity is a over 1 minus r. So it is 16 over 1 minus a half, which is 32. The sum will never be greater than 32. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please watch our other videos on sequences and series, and also our other videos on the past paper series. Thank you for watching, and bye.